Hey guys, Apple Maniac YT here. I know, I haven't uploaded in a month and a half, just deal with it. So today we got another package. As you saw from the title and thumbnail of this YouTube video, this is an iPhone 6 Plus on iOS 8 that I bought for $27. But there's a catch, it is activation locked. But I'm gonna see if I can get around that. Let's go ahead and open up this package. Get my trusty knife. And here we have another shipping envelope. Well, not another. Go ahead and pull the iPhone 6 Plus out. And okay, yep, the seller could have done a better job cleaning it, but this thing appears to be in great condition, actually. Oh, wow, that's in good condition. And it's labeled as a 6S. This is clearly an iPhone 6 Plus. And this is in impressive condition. Wow, it's just really dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this label. Okay, I'll clean this up after I charge the phone. Actually, we can see if it's dead first. It's not. Okay, that was unexpected. I had a charger prepared because I didn't think that this would have any charge. And I'm really hoping... Okay, the seller did not update the iOS version. Let's go ahead and slide to setup. And I'm just going to confirm that it is iCloud locked. And look at that. The all caps keyboard. That's iOS 8. Okay, we're on Wi-Fi. What? Oh my God. I saw the time and I thought that the phone had activated. I'm not sure what's going on. Could not activate iPhone. Could not activate iPhone. Okay, so it is activation locked. Actually, because there's a phone number there, I'm considering calling the owner of the phone, but I'm not really sure. All right, so after some careful consideration, I've decided not to call the owner. I may change my mind while I'm trying to unlock it, but as of now, I'm not gonna call the owner, but here's the phone. I am gonna go ahead and clean it off. I've just checked using 3U Tools, I know, the forbidden program, and it's running iOS 8.4.1. I was hoping for something below 8.4, but it's still iOS 8, and now I can actually use Apple Music, so I am actually kind of excited about that. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the phone, and I'll get right back to you guys. All right, so I'm back, and the iPhone 6 Plus is nice and clean, as you can tell, on the front and back. It is in nearly mint condition. It was literally probably used for only a couple of months, as the production date is in May of 2015, and it's running 8.4.1. You can see there's some scratches on the screen. I'll put a screen protector on it, but not bad at all for $27. So there's not much I can do in this video, as it's not very easy to bypass these. So I bypassed it. So originally, the video was supposed to end there. I did my outro, I ended the video, and I was just going to post it like that. But right after I ended the video, I started working on trying to bypass this. And after a couple hours of trial and error, I managed to bypass this iPhone 6 Plus. I'll sum it up real quick. I built an SSH RAM disk and manually deleted setup.app, which sounds easy, but really wasn't that easy, as I had never done it before. But I'm actually going to be making a tutorial video, so be looking for that in the coming week. I'll have that up as soon as I possibly can, but I have another video coming out before that, so it will probably be upwards of a week. But here it is. The iPhone 6 Plus has been iCloud bypassed. It's running iOS 8.4.1 and is a 64GB model. It's in great condition. I put a screen protector on it, and man, look at the back. That Apple logo is a little bit smudgy, not anymore. But now, for $27, I got myself an iPhone 6 Plus running iOS 8. So now, what does this mean? I have an iPhone 6 Plus and an iPhone 6 running iOS 8. I finally got the pair. I know, I need to replace the screen on this iPhone 6. Just ignore the cracks. It's been like that since I got it. And along with having that pair, I also have an iPhone 6 Plus on iOS 8 and an iPhone 6 Plus on iOS 9. This is my iPhone 6 Plus 64GB, just like this one, running iOS 9.0.1 that I bought sealed a couple months ago. Go watch that video, link up in the top right. But anyways, now the iPhone 6 Plus is iCloud bypassed. I got it for $27, and I now have the pair of the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus on iOS 8. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in over a month and a half, but I'm back. I'm coming back to making videos. So if you thought that I quit, I didn't. Anyways, just like any other Apple Maniac YT video, peace out, guys.